Hey everyone, welcome back to the workshop. Artisan Pirate here, and in today's scroll saw project video, we're going to be making a fun nautical theme design by Steve Good. But before I get into that, I want to show you all my new 3D printer. I rearranged some stuff out here in the shop and got it built and set up, and as you can see, it's currently printing. Really excited to have that out here in the workshop to print out little dust collection pieces and also little trinkets that I can maybe cast in resin in future videos. Really learning on it and really excited to have it. But as I said, this is a nautical theme design by Steve Good, and what it is a sailing ship. And it is a three-masted sailing ship, or excuse me, a two-masted sailing ship with sails. Really awesome design, and this is 1/4-inch plywood. All the patterns are attached with clear packing tape, and then the sides with the portholes are going to be made out of 1/8-inch material, or 1/8-inch plywood, and I've already got that attached, and we're going to stack cut and go and make both at the same time. And then we're going to make a base out of this piece of pine with the router. This is the rough size of the base, and what we're going to do is route a decorative edge on it. But as always with about all the scroll saw projects, let's head over to the drill press and drill our pilot holes so we can come back and start scrolling.
And over here on the drill press, we are going to take a small drill bit and drill all of our pilot holes for internal cutting over on the scroll saw. There is quite a few small details on the ship with the rigging and the mast and all, but we're going to take our time with it and get the project done. And now we're going to head over to scrolling, and I'm beginning with the two sides that are 1/8-inch plywood going through the windows in what would be the captain's cabin, getting those cut out. And I'm just stack cutting both of these at one time. Again, 1/8-inch plywood. And here I am releasing those two pieces from the wood. And then I will set these pieces aside and get the ship and start with the interior cuts on it. I am using number 5 ultra reverse sharp tooth scroll saw blades, and they are cutting through this 1/4-inch and also the 1/8-inch plywood exceptionally well. Just going through here and getting some of the smaller details cut out and taking my time and letting the blade do the work. If you guys would like to cut out this ship yourself, you can download it as a free pattern download over at Steve Good's scrollsawworkshop.blogspot.com website over in the free pattern catalog. And if you guys like what you're seeing, I would highly encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow me over on my Instagram page at Artisan Pirate. Links to my social medias down in the description box below. Again, just going through here and letting the blade do the work with some of these smaller interior cuts. Taking my time with it. And here I'm cutting out what I thought was the final interior cut. I actually missed an interior cut and I noticed it when I started doing the final cut, and I mean, it happens, it was just something I missed. So I cut out a little more than half of the final cut, and then I come back through the wood so I could go back and do the final interior cut. I do that at the top of the flag here. And now I can go back and do the actual final interior cut. Again, it was just something I missed. And now I'm going to go back and finish releasing the piece from the wood, and just going to go back in where I cut out at the flag and continue on. And once I come across the bottom of the ship, trying to keep it as straight as possible, all of the scroll work will be done. And we will move over to the workbench and remove the piece from the wood and head over to sanding. And here I'm just using the palm sander with 100 grit sandpaper, doing small circular motions on the front and back of both pieces. And I've done some finer detail sanding off camera, just getting everything nice and smooth. And then I brought everything back to the workbench and glued the two 1/8" sides on with Gorilla Wood glue. And I used small spring clamps to hold the two sides in place. And while the glue started setting up and drying, we go over to the router and take a Roman OG profile bit and route out two sides on the base to give it a nice visual. And then I took a sanding block there and just kind of done some touch-up sanding. And now I'm going to move the clamps over and just use the weight of the ship to glue itself to the base. And I let that dry around an hour. And then I came back and removed the clamps. And then I took the piece outside to stain with Minwax wood stain, just making sure to get into all of the interior cuts and making sure stain got in all the crevices and all. And I let that sit a few seconds, and then I wiped off the excess and let it hang on a wire for a few hours, and the project was done.
And here we have the completed two-masted sailing ship. All that's left to do is add a clear coat to it. I can't add the clear coat to it in this video because it is a cloudy day and a muggy day with a chance of rain, and I do not like clear coating anything in those conditions. But here is the completed sailing ship. It took me around an hour to cut this out over on the scroll saw. There was some tedious detail with the ropes and the rigging here at the bottom and the windows and all, but I just took my time with it and enjoyed the scrolling process and got it done. Steve Good actually had the pennant type flags on the top, and I redrew them to represent pirate flags because with me being a pirate, of course, I want this to be a pirate ship. But it turned out real awesome. I love how the wood stain, and I used golden oak wood stain. I really like how that stain made the wood two-toned, and that really just gives the piece an added character and an added look, and I really like it. The Roman OG profile we done on the router really gives the base a nice look. But all in all, I really love this project, and I hope you guys liked watching me make it. That's about all for this video. Remember, if I can make it or do it, so can you. I'm the Artisan Pirate. Take care, and I'll see you guys real soon.